Hi guys, I'm Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. I'm going to show you today, I've rooted Pothos. I believe this one is an Joy, and I've had it in here for a few months in some water, and I'm going to show you, it's very quick and easy, how I now put it in soil. So I've chosen a 6-inch, just a plastic pot. I set this in a decorative pot, and I filled it with potting soil. You can use potting soil or tropical soil, either way. This is our Miracle Mix, if you've been to the garden center, or a pink bag, and it's just a really nice soil. I like to work with it. So I am just creating a little hole in the center here, about almost to these knuckles, just kind of in between, and that's just because I know how long these roots are. So I have a couple of cuttings here, and they've been going for a while. You can see there's a lot of roots on that guy. And I've also cleaned, before I taped here, I just cleaned the roots off under some cold running water just to clean them off. So now I'm just gonna put them in, just gently set them in there. And you push your soil back around just really lightly. You don't wanna break any of those. This soil out of the container, out of the vase, you can just throw out. And give this just a nice, just a little water. You don't want to drown it because there's not too much going on in there, but just a little bit of water. And that's as easy as it is. So as I do more cuttings, I will add more to this to make it a thicker plant. That's an Enjoy. This is my Enjoy here as well, which that cutting did come off of here. And you can see how long it is. I have a few Enjoys, but this is the thickest and longest one I have. And every now and then, if something comes off, or if I want to root something, I'll clip it, and that way you can start another one, or you can add more to another plant. Like this one here I inherited this one from my mom. This is a golden pothos, and it's a really, really old one. It doesn't even climb up the pole anymore, but I don't know if you can see, it's very bare around the pot area. So I have rooted in my past video. I did take some cuttings from this, so I have rooted some, and I'm going to put those cuttings in here so this top is full again. And I'm also going to take that pole out. But I've also taken cuttings from this one's a Pearls in Jade, and my newest one that I've not taken any cuttings from yet because it's still my little baby. This is a Cebu Blue Pothos, and I do have some more in the house too that I just can't carry out because they're either hanging or too big. But that is how easy it is to root and pot up this, in this case a pothos, but a lot of tropicals are that easy. And that's also how you keep them this thick, because if you've had them before, you, like I said, you've noticed the top will thin out. If you keep doing cuttings or keep clipping it, it will keep it full on the top. Have a great day, guys.